Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2024 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Coupe. This one has mag ride suspension, front lift, and it's painted in Riptide blue metallic on jet black interior. Alright, we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. So we got the hood open here, as you can see, and it is a coupe, so you can see it has the glass partition, and then we can view the engine here. So it's a 6.2 liter V8 producing 490 horsepower. It's paired to a 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, and again there's your mag ride suspension. And then coming back here right behind the engine is the trunk space. So right now we have the carbon fiber removable roof in the trunk. This one is painted body color. It's nice and light so you can take it on and off the car easily. We have the cargo net back here. When the roof is on the car, you can utilize all that space there. And we can fit golf clubs back there, shopping items, and all kinds of other things. All right, here is your roof off. Has the black interior, so there's your rear camera mirror. Here's your engine from the outside, and then we have the Stingray done in the carbon flash metallic, and then we have the low profile spoiler done in the body color on this one, and then down below we have the dual exhaust with the quad tips. All right, we'll spin the car around. We'll check out the wheels first. So we have the 5 open spoke silver aluminum wheel. We have Michelin tires all the way around the vehicle. Rear tire size is a 305/30 ZR20. And we have 4-wheel disc brakes and bright red brake calipers. All right, let's check out that front wheel. So you can see that the red calipers there, they do say Corvette on them. The front tire size is 245/35 ZR19, so a staggered wheel pattern. Let's make our way to the interior. So we have a black interior. So you're going to see, notice the gray stitching here. It's a nice straight stitch. We have the Bose Performance Series sound system, so a 14 speaker system. The memory package for the passenger. Here's your power windows, your power locks, your electronic door release. Over here's your dash. The stitching is on the dash as well. And then we have the glove box here and your owner's manual inside. Here is your door jambs here. Stingray kick plate looks good, and then we have the carpeted floor mats with the stitching, and then the 8-way power seat with bolster and lumbar. And we'll scan the seat here. So this is a black GT2 seat, so an upgrade there as well. Exposed carbon fiber on the GT2 seats. Then you're going to see the Corvette flags here, and you also have the seat belt loops. All right, in between the seats we have the glass partition. You can see the engine from the cockpit of the car. There's your speaker grill, and then we do have the wireless charging station for your cell phone. Closing that door, let's check it, look at the profile of that spoiler here, and we'll walk down the car. There's your seats. You got body colored side mirrors, carbon flash around the venting there, and then we have your silver wheels. Coming down here, we got that beautiful Riptide blue paint, a new color for 2024, and then we have the LED projector headlights here, and we'll check out underneath the frunk. So here's your frunk. So we got more storage in the front, so you can put some luggage in the front as well. We do have the divider with the netting here, and we do have a 12-volt socket here to charge your battery with your trickle charger. All right, closing the frunk. It does have the soft close on the 24 models in the front, as well as the rear hood. And coming here, you can see the paint looks great. And it's not been polished yet, so we'll do a 5-stage polish on this car, as we do to all cars. And there's your wheels here. And the last wheel. All right, coming over here, we got the door panel. So again, matching the other side, we have the gray stitching, the Bose Performance Series sound system, the memory package for the driver, power mirrors, power folding mirrors, and back out again, we got blind spot monitoring there, your power windows, your power locks, and your front and rear trunk release there. Dash over here, there's your heads-up display slot, as it does have heads-up on the windshield. And then here is your door jambs, your Stingray kick plate there, looking good. pedals down there, your carpeted floor mat, again the 8-way power seat, and we'll scan the leather here. See, it looks great. Again, GT2 seat, and we'll hop in the car now. Coming over here, we got the nice sleek vents on the C8, heads-up display there, your dash dimming lights, and your electronic parking brake. On this column here, we got power tilt, telescopic wheel, headlight controls here. We have paddles on both sides, so upshift, downshift. Z takes you to your performance pages. We got cruise control, audio over here, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth voice command, arrow keys there, and your windshield wiper settings. It's a push button start. We'll go ahead and start it. And let's zoom out here so you can see the steering wheel. So we get the black wheel, the black center point, flat top, and the flat bottom. Corvette flags and the horn there. Coming over here, we have the full digital instrument cluster. Mileage on the car, only 901 kilometers. So very low kilometer C8. Up here in the visor, you get the universal garage door opener. We get the light sensor rear mirror, as well as a camera mirror, and we can flip that off there, whichever you prefer. Coming down here is your 8-inch touchscreen, so it is Google based now. So we'll come back here. So we got maps, so your navigation, again Google based. We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have performance data recorder. Here's your climate controls. We have front camera, so there's your front of your car. Throw a reverse, and we have a reverse camera as well. Down below we have your automatic transmission control. Here's your traction control. Here we have front lift with memory, so that'll lift the car about 2 inches if you're going over something that's a little bit steeper. And then we have your dial here underneath. So let's take you back to the dash. I'll turn that dial to the beginning. So we have weather mode. We have my mode, so you can customize that one. And you can see the metrics are changing there when I turn it. Then we have tour mode. We have sport mode, and we have track mode, so you can see it's also changing the metrics here when I turn that dial. Over here we have your climate control tower. We have dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats. Here's your two cup holders in the console here. Put my hands, you can see the depth, and we got media ports there. All right, let's open up the door here, turn on the lights, and let's give it a couple revs. The power is right there. That sounds great. We'll make our way to the front here. Show you the lights on the car, and there's the front angle there. Let's make our way to the side now, and we'll start turning the car around and check out those LED taillights. Here's your exhaust at idle, and here we have it. This is a 2024 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT Coupe. It has mag ride and front lift, and is painted in the beautiful Riptide blue metallic on jet black interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.